Once we have the bottom seam sewn and zigzagged and pressed towards the front of the bag, our next step is to pin the two sides together. So we need some pins for this. We're going to put our bag right sides together, and we're going to start by pinning the two ends first and then do middle, middle, middle. Now these should be the same size because you cut them at the same time, so they should match up exactly. One of the reasons why I pin two ends first, middle, 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 is that if we pin from one end to the other, we tend to push one of the layers a little bit more than the other, and so then you get to the opposite end and it's like they're not the same size, but they actually are because you cut them at the same time. So with this distance, we're probably going to have about, so I'm going to put two more in here. All right, so two more in 1/2, and then I'm going to put two more over here. I want to make sure that those edges are stacked right on top of each other. Okay, so with this distance, I probably have about 7, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pins. Even with the shorter pins, that should be enough for you because they're about every 2 to 3 fingers apart, and that's a good distance. So I've pinned one of the sides. I have to do the exact same thing to the other side, and then I'm ready to go to the sewing machine.